Hey everyone, I'm David Finz, and on this episode of the Cyber Insurance Imperative, we're going to take a closer look at the future of social media and what it means for businesses trying to navigate the minefield of data privacy laws. Now, as most of our audience knows, the European Union led the way in this area with the landmark General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, which took effect in 2018. Well, the EU is breaking ground yet again, having reached an agreement on April 23rd to adopt the Digital Services Act, which will impose new responsibilities on tech companies. And just like GDPR, the DSA is expected to have far-reaching implications, not just because it will apply to non-European companies handling consumer data of EU member states, but also because it may serve as a prototype for future legislation here in the US. Among the changes which businesses will face when the law takes effect in 2024, companies will no longer be able to target ads to individuals based on their religion, ethnicity, sexual orientation, or political affiliation. Nor will they be able to target ads to minors. Additionally, DSA mandates greater transparency on the part of tech companies into how they recommend content to users. Social media platforms will need to provide alternative feeds that are not based on profiling of users and will also be required to furnish data about their algorithms to academia and non-governmental organizations to aid in their research around online risks. The EU will have enforcement authority over this law with the power to fine tech companies up to 6% of their global revenue. Repeat offenders could even be banned from operating in the EU altogether. Now, while this law is being hailed as a victory for privacy rights advocates, tech companies like Google have cautioned that these concerns need to be balanced against the interests of content creators and businesses in maintaining the openness of the web for the purpose of reaching users in ways that are mutually beneficial. The social media and search engine giants spent more than 27 million euros last year lobbying EU parliamentarians, and they are expecting a seat at the table as officials hammer out the details of the new law's implementation. So what does this mean to our viewers? Well, if your firm does business with EU customers, you can expect that this will impact the ways in which you advertise and connect with users there. Beyond that, we should watch for similar legislation to be introduced here, if not at the federal level, then certainly in states like California that have been at the forefront of data privacy initiatives. Last but not least, you need to check your cyber insurance policy to make sure that it provides coverage for the violation of a data privacy law, irrespective of whether your company has suffered an actual breach. Now, please note, this is intended as general information and guidance, and you will want to consult with a qualified insurance broker about your specific coverage needs. And perhaps you aren't certain what types of exposures a cyber insurance policy is able to pick up. If that's the case, you may wish to read our white paper, Coverage Typically Available in the Market. For a free copy, you can DM me on LinkedIn or email me at david.finz@alliant.com, and I'll be happy to get that out to you right away. Preparing our clients for upcoming changes in the world of data privacy is just one more way that Alliant helps you find the more rewarding way to manage risk. Thanks for watching.